Did you know you can make $3,000 a week with graphic design without needing to know how to design it at all? You're probably thinking, how? The answer is by using super simple AI tools that even your grandma could figure out. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 beginner-friendly AI tools and talk you through how to use them and how to make money with them. You'll leave this video knowing exactly what to do and where to do it. Tool 1. First, let's talk about Canva. If you've heard of Canva, you know it's like the Swiss Army knife of graphic design. The reason so many people use it is that it's ridiculously easy to get started, even if you've never designed anything before. Head to the Canva website and sign up for a free account. It takes about 2 minutes. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner. From there, you can pick a dimension for almost anything. YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business cards, you name it. Let's say you're making a YouTube thumbnail for a gaming channel. Start by typing YouTube thumbnail into the search bar and pick the YouTube thumbnail dimensions. Once you click on it, you'll see a blank dock. You'll find hundreds of options for templates on the left. Pick one that catches your eye. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. You can change literally everything. If you want a different color, click on the background, then choose a different color. If you want a different font, just select the text in the template, delete it, type your unique title, select your text, click on the font menu, and experiment with all the different fonts that Canva offers. Canva's AI can even help you brainstorm ideas. Try their Magic Design feature, which suggests layouts based on what you upload or describe. For example, I can type in illustrated YouTube thumbnail with the text, "Fortnite is dead." When I hit enter, Canva will generate some options. They won't be perfect, but you can look through them, pick the best one, and then adjust as you need to. Here's how this makes you money. Go to Fiverr and create a free account. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where people post services called gigs. Businesses, creators, and everyday people go there to hire freelancers for things like logo design, thumbnails, and social media graphics. Once you're signed up, click Become a Seller and set up your profile. You'll want to create a gig specifically for YouTube thumbnails. Title it something like, "I'll design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that boost your clicks." Use samples you've made in Canva as examples to showcase your style. Here's the great part. You decide your pricing. Beginners usually start with lower prices, around $5 per thumbnail. But as you build a reputation, you can charge more. Some sellers make $50 per thumbnail for high-quality, fast work. If you can make 10 thumbnails a day, that's $500 a day, and you're just using Canva. Tool 2. Now, let's move to Kittl. This tool is perfect for creating designs for t-shirts, posters, or even more artistic logos. Go to the Kittl website, create an account, and start exploring their templates. Let's say you're making a t-shirt design. Click on Templates and find one that looks vintage or modern, whatever your niche is. Once you open the template, you'll see how customizable everything is. Kittl's standout feature is its text editor, which lets you warp, add textures, and create effects that look professional. Here's a practical example. Let's say you're making a funny t-shirt for pet lovers. Open a Kittl template, change the text to something catchy, like "dog hair, don't care," and add a cute dog illustration from their library. Adjust the colors to something bright or pastel, and you've got a ready-to-go t-shirt design. Save it as a high-quality PNG with a transparent background. To make money with this, go to Etsy and set up a shop. Etsy is a marketplace for handmade, vintage, or unique goods. But it's also great for selling digital files like t-shirt designs or posters. When you're setting up your shop, upload your Kittl designs as digital downloads. Price them at around $5 each. The best thing about this is that you create it once, and it can sell over and over again without any extra effort. If you want to do print on demand and actually sell t-shirts or mugs with your Kittl design printed on them, partner with a site like Printify. This service connects to your Etsy store, And whenever someone buys a t-shirt with your design, Printful prints it and ships it for you. You just collect the profit. Tool 3. Let's talk about Looka next. Looka is fantastic for creating logos and full branding packages. Go to the Looka website and start by creating a free account. The setup process is super intuitive. You'll be asked questions like, what's your brand name? And what style do you prefer? Let's say a client wants a modern coffee shop logo. Type in Coffee Bliss as the brand name, pick modern fonts, and select warm colors like browns and yellows. Looka will generate several logo options. Pick one, and then use Looka's tools to refine it. Maybe add a coffee cup icon, or adjust the font weight. Look should already add a lot of the details once you give it some information, but it's good to know that you can always make your own edits. Once your logo is finalized, Looka can generate an entire branding kit, business cards, social media banners, and even letterheads. Clients love this because it gives them a great professional look across all platforms. On Fiverr or Upwork, you can offer this as a branding package. Branding gigs typically sell for anywhere from $50 to $500, depending on the complexity and how big the business is. Create a gig on Fiverr with a title like, I'll design your logo and full branding package. Include a few mock-ups from Looka in your portfolio to show potential clients what they're getting. Tool 4. Now let's look at Leonardo AI. This tool is like having a personal digital artist. Go to the Leonardo AI website, sign up, and set it up. Once you're logged in, click on Image Creation, and you'll be taken here where you can type in what you want using the prompt bar. Let's say a client on Upwork wants concept art for a fantasy novel. You type in a magical forest with glowing trees and a river of light, and Leonardo generates several stunning options. If one looks close but not perfect, you can tweak the settings to refine it. Have a play around with the different presets and settings they have available. Once you've got an image you like, download it and deliver it to your client as a high-resolution file. You can offer custom digital art creation as a service on Fiverr and Upwork, or you can sell the digital art directly on platforms like Etsy, where people can download the image you generated and put it on a poster, an ebook, or anywhere they'd like. One last thing. If you want to get noticed, start posting your designs on social media. TikTok, Instagram, and even Pinterest are amazing for showcasing your work. Film short videos of your design process, like creating a YouTube thumbnail on Canva or a t-shirt on Kittl. Add captions explaining what you're doing, and include a call to action like DM me for commissions or check out my Etsy shop. So those are the 4 best graphic design tools out there right now. There are many different ways to make money with these, and I hope you've gotten some good ideas for what you'll try. Which of these tools have you used before or are you thinking of trying out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.